So how does your retirement going to look like after the next financial crisis? So again, the last financial crisis, it was 2008. We had a mini crisis in the COVID, but everything actually went ballistic, right? With all the equity market, stock market, real estate market, and etc., right? But what's going to happen just before you're going to retire? You're going to have another crisis.
No, God!
Okay, so I know personally so many people that lost 10, 20, 30, and even 40% on their portfolio, okay? Many people also liquidated some of the portfolio because they didn't know where is the bottom of this thing, okay? So when you see like a falling knife, you have no idea when it's gonna stop and if it's gonna stop. Because people, especially when you're dealing with stock market and in real estate market, they are more working with their emotions rather than with the real logic, okay? And of course, nobody wants to be in a position when they see all their savings, all their life savings, that are shrinking.
Do your research.
And also, I think something similar happened to people recently in the crypto markets, right? When the Bitcoin and all the other coins reached like 60,000 K, and then now it's dropped to 15 or 20 or 25. That's a massive drop, okay? The thing is, how can you go to sleep at night without worrying what's going to happen? Because it's really, you're in a very unique situation that you have a lack of control. So some people maybe are still in the 20s or 30s, so they have all the rest of their life to recoup their investment. But what's happening if you're 45, okay, and you lost 50% of your portfolio? You need to make like 100% just to go back to where you were. Let's put inflation on the side, okay? Do you know how to double your money?
Where do I begin?
Like, there is a rule of 72. So if you want to double your money, so that's the rule of 72. So if you're doing like 10% per year, okay, you need about 7 years to do it without taxes, right? Is that possible? Is that possible to do it?
I have no idea.
So in my mind, okay, we don't know when next recession gonna hit. I think it's gonna hit very soon, and we see all the financial indicators gonna show us we already enter a recession, right? So in 2023, 2023, 24, 25, okay, everything gonna go down. Especially in real estate, it's gonna go very slow downturn. It's not like the stock market. But again, the market is inflated because what the Fed did. So in my opinion, of course, if you are risk averse, okay, you need to move to something very, 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 very conservative, okay? And the best conservative way to get high returns, it's lending, okay? So again, I personally like to lend against real estate because I like to have a collateral in place. It's called secured loans. So if you want to do something like that, you can follow on the link below. We have a very short training, how to be a passive private lender. Visit passiveretirementAccount.com. So again, think about your risk profile, okay? So if people that love risk, go ahead and put your money, a big portion of your money in the stock market, real estate, in the crypto. But if you're risk averse like me, like myself, I don't like to have risk bets, okay? Because what's gonna happen, what are you gonna tell your wife when you lost like 25% of your portfolio? If you lost like 100, 200 grand on your portfolio, is it gonna be easy to share this information? What's going to happen to your relationship? What's going to happen if you have some plans in the next 2 or 3 years for some of this money for your kids? Maybe they're going to get married, or maybe they're going to go into college, right?
Where's my wallet? I don't have my wallet.
So it's going to create a lot of pressure on yourself, okay? So I think, again, you need to allocate some maybe 10-20% of your portfolio to like high risk, vehicles, right? And they may work and they may not, but it's only 10 or 20%. That's okay. Everybody can live with it, okay? But you need to allocate like 80% of your entire portfolio to something that it's very, very stable. Again, so what people are doing, they're going to the bond or CD market, right? And that's extremely low. So I think sometimes it's even less than inflation. They are making 1, 2, or 3%. And that's ridiculous, right? So as a private lender, you can earn a lot higher than that. And even it's going to be a lot safer, and also there are like many tax benefits. So as I said before, click below on the training. I'm going to see you over there. And that's how you can learn how to be a private lender, to lend your money for a profit in a very, very secure and low risk way. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.